Firstly, you need to make sure any hair is secured away from the face by using the no crimp clips. This will give you a clear view and avoid any hairs coming in contact with the bond. Make sure your natural lashes are clean from any product, including moisturizer, oil, and SPFs. If these are not removed properly, then your underlash lashes will not last. Your first step is to curl your natural lashes with the curler. The unique comb attached will separate the lashes and give them a natural curl without twists or kinks. Squeeze the curler for about 10 seconds. Your second step is to apply the bond to your natural lashes from the base to about halfway up. Only apply a small amount. Make sure you remove any excess off the brush before applying. Tip: when applying the bond, bend the brush so you can apply on an angle, making it easier for the application. Don't brush through like a mascara. Place the brush onto your natural lashes and wiggle from side to side. Use the comb on the end of the applicator to brush through the end of the lashes if any of them get stuck together. Step 3. Cut the lash ribbon into segments. We recommend just under 1 centimeter while a beginner, but you can cut them smaller and layer them in the future. But for now, let's just keep it to this size. Pick up your lash segment with the applicator. The applicator tweezer should be in the same direction as your waterline. Apply the lashes under the upper lash line and move appropriately as you make your way around the eye. Make sure you do not place on the waterline, otherwise this will cause irritation. You need to leave about a 1 millimeter gap. Here you can see we cut one segment a lot smaller to get in that inner corner. You may need to do this, it depends on the size of your eye. Step 4, apply the seal onto the applicator before squeezing the lashes together. This will help you with your lashes not sticking to the applicator. Always clean this off immediately after applying your lashes, otherwise there will be a buildup of the seal on the applicator. You can simply do this by using an alcohol wipe or use hot water and soap. Use the applicator to clamp the lashes together, securing them in place. Again, make sure the tweezer is lined up to the waterline, so move in your hand appropriately. Step 5, the final step. You're going to seal again, but using the ball on the end of the brush and only need to seal where the bond was placed. Do not put it on the end of the lashes towards the tip, otherwise the lashes will end up with a glossy finish. If you want to know how to maximize your wear time, navigate to our website in the Learn section or click the link below. And then you have it, secure lashes that last up to 7 days in just 5 simple steps.